Will you get me away from these goddamn wood spirits? Give me a break. I need to have my own life. Rawr!
Ah, shut up!
How's it going, guys? I haven't been carving too much as I've been back working at my normal job, as normal people have to do, obviously. See the stuff I got on my hands? It's that spray foam stuff. I wore gloves, but then I took them off and I forgot to put them back on. But this has been on here for almost 2 days now. I've used gas, I've used paint thinner, bleach to try and get off, and it just doesn't come off. You can see where I've been picking at it, but I don't know. I guess it will just have to wear off. Should come off by tomorrow. But anyways, okay, so this is a giveaway. When I had my Wen flex shaft here, it caught smoke real bad, okay? These are my Dremels. I'm a Dremel guy. I got like 6, 7 Dremels, right? I got these 2 hanging here, and I got like 3 other brand new ones still in the box. So I figured this Wen rotary toolkit with flex shaft is good for a giveaway. Do you know what I mean? Why not? And it's great for the real beginning carvers. It's good for a regular carver anyways. They're not that expensive. I think they're like 40 or 50 bucks. But I sent Wen a video of the smoke thing, and they warranted this Wen, this rotary tool, and they sent me this new one back. So I gotta say, Wen stands by their tools. And here's a big shout out to Wen, okay? They sent this for my warranty, the whole package. I don't know, there might be bits and stuff, whatever in there, but it's got the flex shaft too. And I'm going to give you guys this Kutzall. I bought this, guys. I'm going to give you this Kutzall this is 1/8 flame burr shaft that will fit in this Wen toolkit, okay? This burr right here will fit. This burr is for a Fordham flex shaft, 1/4 inch. You can see videos in my description about the Fordham. It's a bigger machine. Can't see it there, but it's a bigger machine. But this is my go-to bit too, like right here. You know what I mean? That's what I use in all my videos. And where's this one's really worn away, but this is the smaller one too. This is what I always use, guys. I'll leave a description below where to buy them. But how to enter this contest? You have to be oh, and I'm going to throw this guy in too. I made a video about this guy too. It's a piece of driftwood. It's graybeard. So I dyed it graybeard with stain. So, and to make your pieces shiny like this, guys, you can use spar. It's called Minwax spar varnish. Lots of pro carvers use it, and I suggest this stuff. This is only 2 coats, and look how shiny it is. So, and this is pretty porous, soft wood.
Sign your pieces.
So anyways, how to enter this contest? I'll draw the date, July, April, May, and June, July, the end of July, okay? I'll do a live draw for it, I promise you, okay? I'll print out every name and draw in the hat, or I'll find some app to do it, but I will do it live. I didn't do the last one live just because I was too busy. So you'll get this, you'll get this, you'll get this, you'll get this. Okay? At first, I was just going to do it in Canada, United States, but I thought that's not fair to my other subs, so it's going to be a worldwide giveaway, and I'll pay shipping. I don't know how much this is going to cost to send to goddamn UK, but I'm going to pay it. I think it's only fair. Okay, so what you have to do, you have to be a sub on my Carving Fusion page where you're watching this video. You have to like this video. You have to leave a comment on this video with where you're from. Okay? And the last thing, in the description below, I got another video on YouTube where I carve those little wood spirits, and it's got Grumpy Jesse in the beginning of the video. And I'm going to ask that you guys share that. It's in the description below, that you guys share that video on Facebook or on your YouTube channel. Some people don't have YouTube. They have a channel, but they don't have any content or any followers. They just have a channel so they can leave comments. So if you have Facebook, I'd love it most if you could share it there. I don't know if I'm staring at Tool, but pointing at Tool. But If you could share it on Facebook, that'd be friggin' meant, and you guys would be, and you could tag me, Jordy Johnson, on Facebook, or Carving Fusion. You know, lots of people on my Facebook are, for my regular page, are art followers, so tag me, Jordy Johnson. You can see my picture. It's like of a wizard's face, or Carving Fusion. Okay, once again, I'm going to say it for the last time. You got to like this video. You got to be a sub on my page. You got to leave a comment with where you're from. And you got to share the video that will be in the description below. I'll leave a link to the YouTube video, and that's it. So good luck, guys, and
May the force be with you and good luck. I hope the winter's not in the UK because it's going to cost me lots of money for shipping, but that's okay. I'll have to pay it.
because what's fair is fair, right? Talk to you guys soon. Good luck.